masaling hindi ay pinapansin. Ayaw natin na kung sa'yo pamilin. Kahit minsan ika'y naging atin. Wala bang tibok sa dibdib? Nasaan ka na? Hindi makita. Kinalimutan ang bawat sandali. Ang puso ay madali sa tuwing na biglang nawala.
First 107.5 Escalona Wishers, welcome to the final stretch of today's Roadshow Get Together. Happy Thursday once again, everybody. It's your boy, DJ Adam, keeping you company on board the iconic Wish 107.5 Buzz. And today we are parked right here, right in front of the green gate of the fake dome, smart out of the Coliseum. To all the wishers outside the bus, can we make some noise one time? Without further ado, the grand champions from Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets Edition. We got JM De La Cerda and Mariel Monteliano. Guys, welcome on board the bus. Kamusta?
Hey, hello, DJ Adam. Hello, everybody.
Yes, grabe. So, grabe yung tandem nyo. Napakarami sa labas. And we got records. We got cutouts in your faces. Let's see the non-pro champions. Go ahead.
Hello.
Alright, so you officially now are a duo. You release songs. Actually, you have an EP under the name J-Mill. It's called J-Mill in Love. Alright, it's already out on major digital streaming platforms. What songs are in it?
We actually have 6 tracks in the album. First ay Magpakailan Pa Man. It's a song written by Sir Audie Alcacid and gift niya din po sa amin yun. And then the second one we have Pag Ang Puso Ang Nagsabi. Actually, we released Pag Ang Puso Ang Nagsabi I think last year. And then written naman po by Sir Sokyo Vinueva. And then the other four.
Ikaw, compose ni Guillermo Constantino first. And Kao at ako, and ang may Moira and Jason. And of course, meron din tayong Paano Ba Mahal.
Right. Awesome. We got 6 tracks under that EP.
One
And
more.
meron pa po isa.
Parang tayo pero hindi,
Yun.
popularized by Michael Pangilinan and Sajin.
Awesome stuff. But invitahin sila, of course, to have that EP downloaded and streamed.
Yes, everybody, sa mga hindi pa po naka-download ng aming album, it's called J-Mill in Love. It's available on all streaming platforms. At you may also check the lyric videos, nasa YT na rin, YouTube na rin.
All right.
Thank you guys.
By the way, congratulations. 3 days ago, you had a successful event to promote this EP, right, at Doctors and Manaming Punta. How grateful are you sa fans niyo? Kasi di ba parang hindi biro yung longevity sa business na to eh. You're from season 1, you're from season 3 of Tawag ng Tanghalan, and from day 1, they stuck around.
Yeah.
Right.
Grabe, until now, it's overwhelming pa din kasi alam mo rin na parang ito na yung inaantay talaga. Hindi lang namin dalawa ni Marie, hindi pati sa lahat ng fans ko, supporters na sumusupport. Nahiling nila itong album na ito.
Tama. Alright, so pakinggan natin. One of the 6 songs from that EP, Jingle in Love, we got none other than Jingle himself, J.M. de la Serna and Mariano Montaliano with Paano Ba Magmahal, only here on Wish 1075.
Na naman aabang ng bago sa istorya mo. Paulit-ulit na lang, paulit-ulit na lang. Kahit piliin ang sarili, piliin kamali, ako'y balik, ako'y balik. Paano bang magmahal, lagi bang nasasaktan, kung di niya alam palagi, gusto ko lang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal, kailangan bang masasaktan? Lagi na maaari, hindi tayo lumisan. Heto na naman ako, parang hindi nadadala ang puso ko.
Martita, they're comfortably seated. Nakaupo pa yung mga yan. JM de la Serna, and of course, Manila Montaliano with their official cover of that track entitled Paano Bang Magmahal, part of the Jingle and Love EP. Naalala ko itong song na to eh, para sa breakup playlist, right? Papa Pete, Sarah G. But anyway, please again invite everybody to have your EP downloaded and streamed.
Yes, sa ating mga listeners today, sa inyo po lahat dyan sa labas, sana po pakinggan niyo ang buong album po namin. It's called Jingle and Love. May 6 tracks po doon. And actually, we've asked ilang mga times na kung ano yung mga favorites nila. We received responses na paano ba mamahal and then the other songs. Yeah. So sana po makapili rin kayo ng mga gusto niyo, pero pakinggan niyo yung buo.
And for salamat din sa mga naka-download. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Alright, let's take a trip down memory lane, right? From your Tawag ng Tanghalan journey, respective journeys ninyo. Was there ever a time na parang nasabi nyo, nung hindi kayo nag-dance champion, initially, parang, am I really built for this? And bakit hindi kayo nag-give up?
Unang-una, actually parang nag-give up na nga ako nun eh. Tapos, ginawa ko naman na may mangyayari hindi yan diluwin. So, dahil sobrang tagal pa namin nakapag-decide talaga. Ewan ko, parang tinawag na lang tayo ni Lord na, JM, sumali ka dito kasi malay mo, ito yung live na yung para sa'yo.
Right.
So, ayun, hindi ko na siya ipasaya.
Awesome, awesome stuff. And congratulations. With your side of that story, Mariel, were you paired or kayo namili sa isa't isa?
We were actually given the option po, the choice to choose din our partners. And then, dahil nga nagkakasama na rin kami ni JM sa mga iba naming shows in the past. So, yeah, parang, and we're under the same management din. So, parang why not mag-try? So, parang ilang ask ko ba ang ata sa akin, yung iba-ibang mga gustong sumali. Pero nung sinabi na gusto rin ni JM na mag-pair kami. So, yeah, hindi din namin na-expect. Kaya din pag-receive nila sa amin.
Solid. Apart from the facts that you laid down, kunyari na nakikinig si JM na yung dalawa na favorite mo, ano talagang nag-gel yung inyong pagiging duo?
Alam mo, DJ Adam, it's the right term talaga, gel talaga. Kasi I believe, nakwento na rin namin in some of our interviews in the past na yung background niya sa singing, sa choir, and then my background din sa choir, parang naging malaking help sa amin both. Kasi kahit na may mga individual kaming mga style of singing, mga techniques, parang nung pinaghalo namin, parang, uy, nag-work naman pala. Kasi dati, sobrang yung boses ko parang bihiya, na siya naman, very, naman siya. Forward mo yung sound niya, pero nung nag-partner na kami, siya.
Right.
Saka, isa din po sa mga sayang po.
So, nicely.
Parang siguro yung connection talaga.
Right. So, in a nutshell, parang yung podcast which, each other. Maraming salamat for sharing that story. And you obviously make beautiful music together. So, tuloy na natin. Itong soundtrack na to, original by Emma Safino. So, part of the Jingle and Love EP, of course, under Star Music, we got J-Mel with Ikaw on Wish 107.5.
Thank you.
wishers pouring their hearts out on that Yan Constantino classic, Ikaw. Of course, J-Mill under that EP entitled J-Mill in Love. We got J.M. de la Serna and Mariel Montellano. Again, please invite everybody to have this EP downloaded and streamed. And kung meron kayong upcoming gigs and shows, go ahead.
And once again po, sana po, download nyo na ang aming EP. Yan, ang J-Mill in Love. Yan po sa lahat ng music platforms. And of course, gusto na po din namin i-promote ang aming second anniversary concert po. It's coming August 22. And po, ang Heartstrings.
Timeless Tunes of Love. Yes, mangyayari po yan sa SM Skydo. SM North Skydo. Sana makapunta po kayo and we also have upcoming shows together with Sir Audie Alcacid at the Coral Lounge of Cabo Manila. At Sir Jed Madara sa Cebu naman po. Kung may mga friends and family mo sa Cebu, August 5 naman po yun sa Waterfront Hotel. At ano pa ba?
For tickets naman sa Sky Globe, ayan po, just visit SM Tickets. And po, ito na po, available na po ngayon. So yeah, see you guys.
Thank you, Wish Family!
Congratulations. Congratulations on everything. Business is booming. You got multiple events here and there. But yes, let's be in touch with your roots. Sabi niyo, Bisaya kayo. Baka in your native tongue, gusto niyo pasalamatan yung supporters ko.
Sige, ako na una. Daghang kayong salamat mo sa tanong na panay ng support mo sa ako. Sa JBL o kang JM. Hinaot na padayon po mo sa pagpaminaw sa mga kinahimo ng mga kanta at sa mga performances na salamat kayo sa pag-anhi o hinaot nga magbungan ta o reach sa akong mga pangandoy.
Yes! Again, salamat kayo guys. So, magpadayon na o magpadaghan kitang dalhan. Salamat kayo. Thank you so much. Kita-kits guys.
Alright. Salamat kaayo, JM. And of course, most welcome. And that's about it. Wishers, when we come back, we're going to wrap up this show right here. Maraming salamat. You're tuned in to the Road Show. And of course, wish time is now 7:38.
Wish 107.5.
Why did you make your heart so red? Like you're living you? Baby, your love is so warm, it makes my shield melt down. Every time we both the boy, you make me come around.
Oh, there's a reason why the middle of my skin keep on trying. Why chose me like all of my fault? I'm nasa akin na hindi makikita sa iba. Milagro ka ng puso ko.
Still staring right at you. You're frozen in my tracks, so please, will you take me back? cancel the equation. I'm like a statue, so staring right at you. Take me back, get your hands off the man. Stop staring right at you. Statue, baby, you're a statue.
You are the reason for living, the reason for breathing. You're so beautiful.
You're so bad, I need it. You're the reason for breathing. You're so beautiful. Yeah, 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 yeah. When the day is said and done, and you're fast asleep, my love, I'm gonna kiss me alive.
Take my hand, we'll walk a while, we'll talk a while. Feel
sa ganun niya. Pababa na yun doon. Bangan mo doon.
Wish one of the 7-5 daily hammer wishers. That's about all the time we got left for our Thursday installments / our July 10 episode here on the Road Show. Still live and direct from the Big Nose Smart on an Epic Scene where the wish us is parked. And looking around, we still got Genial and Jingles Angel, Jingles Blitz, and of course, Balladeers are here too. Taking pictures with Genial and of course, Yo. But anyway. Again, it's time for me to bounce and head it over to the rest of my Thursday evening. But before that, let me holler at Flavor Tech, flagship branch in Quezon City. We offer ceramic paint coating, ceramic window film tint. We got paint protection film, interior detailing, exterior detailing, car wrapping, paint and body works, even car wash. But for wax, you got glass detailing, underwash, and undercoating for mechanical. And upgrades, they got periodic maintenance service as well. Help me out via the app.flavortech.ph, and of course, see the rest of the other services at www.flavortech.ph. Use your credit cards, even for your transactions with FlavorTech. Thank you so much. This has been your buddy bro, DJ Adam. Ciao, peace, and see you. This is Wish 1075.